Hello, welcome to How to Grow Chrysanthemums from Seed. The first step is to buy some seeds. I bought mine from a local gardening store. On the reverse of the packet it shows growing times and growing conditions for your region. We're going to plant these seeds outside. So the first thing to do is to dig your soil. Break up any large lumps, remove any stones and remove any weeds. Next, rake the soil into a fine till. I want my flowers to grow in a nice neat row, so I'm marking out a line with a piece of string. Use the rake to make a narrow trench about ½ an inch deep. Step 3. Plant the seeds in the shallow trench. Try to sprinkle the seeds as thinly as you can, while maintaining a straight line. Cover the seeds with a thin layer of soil, then press down to make sure the seeds have good contact with the soil. Finally, give the seeds a good watering. Keep weed free, and within a couple of weeks the seeds will begin to germinate. Step 4. When the plants are large enough, it's time to thin them out. Thin them to a spacing of 10 inches between plants. Try not to disturb the roots of the plants that you're leaving in place. If you do disturb them, then push the soil back around them. Water the plants that you've left in the ground to get the soil back down around their roots. With the plants that you've removed, you can plant in another part of the garden, or like I'm doing here, plant them in pots. Step 5. Keep weed free and watered, and then within a couple of months flowers will begin to appear. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you found it informative. Please like it if you have. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and visit my gardening website. Thank you and goodbye.